Welcome to Sasco, the Midwest's professional pavement resource. I'm Fred, your friendly neighborhood pavement expert, and I'm ready to take you through your ultimate guide to pavement maintenance, materials, and machinery. Now listen here, don't put the cart before the horse. We stick to heavy-duty pavement sealers to keep your surfaces looking pretty and protected. We offer commercial refined tar, asphalt emulsion, and acrylic polymers for building the perfect base. Got a little crack in your driveway or lot? Don't go making a mountain out of a molehill. We offer commercial-grade crack sealants and patching fillers. We focus on long-lasting performance. We fix it right up. A pavement job without good lines is like a joke without a punchline. Those lines will look so good, they'll bring the house down. Our pavement marking paints provide unmatched quality, sharp, bright, and durable finishes, and high visibility for safety. You can't do a professional job with just a bucket and your bare hands, bless your heart. We supply heavy-duty billy goat blowers, Saskco applicators, and top-tier pavement tools and general supplies. I might be a jokester, but I ain't kidding about savings. Everybody loves keeping a little extra folding money in their pocket. Check out the latest deals and specials on commercial-grade materials and equipment. Fred always has a deal somewhere.
Well, folks, the chickens have come home to roost. Home is where the heart is, and our heart is in protecting your pavement. You can contact us by phone, email, or visit our locations in Springfield, Missouri, or North Little Rock, Arkansas. We hope to see you on the road.